gather round, lads. As I was out walking one morning in May, I spied a young couple who fondly did stray. One was a young maid so sweet and so fair, and the other was a soldier and a bold grenadier, and they kissed so sweet and comforting as they clung to each other. Sing along, boys. They went arm in arm along the road like sister and brother. They went arm in arm along the road till they came to a stream, and they both sat down together to hear the nightingale sing. Out of his knapsack he took a fine fiddle, and he played such a merry tune that you ever did hear. And he played such a merry tune that the valley did ring. Oh, soft cried the fair maid to hear the nightingale sing, and they kissed so sweet and comforting as they clung to each other. They went arm in arm along the road like sister and brother. They went arm in arm along the road till they came to a stream, and they both sat down together to hear the nightingale sing. Well, I'm off to India for 7 long years, drinking wine and whiskey instead of small beers. And if I return again, it will be in the spring, and we'll both sit down together to hear the nightingale sing. Well then, said the fair maid, will you not marry me? Oh no, said the soldier, how well can